Hey, what's up YouTube? My name's Evan and I just made a YouTube account and it's called Footballer with an X, basically because Footballer with an A is unfortunately taken. So I would think that you could tell that it's Footballer with an X, but if you couldn't, then now you know. Basically what I wanted to do with this YouTube account is help people understand products and any kind of gear that they're wanting to buy. You know, kind of give them a heads up before buying it. You know what it's like. Basically, if it's worth buying, because most gear nowadays is pretty expensive, and you want to make sure it's a good product before you buy it. I've been playing soccer all my life, and I'm 15 right now. I'm playing U16 Academy in the U.S. If you're from England, then hello. I guess it's football for you, but it's the same game, same beautiful game. So just need a ball and just play, you know. I really have no thoughts on soccer, football. You know, it's all the same. But yeah, I'll make product reviews, unboxings, and maybe some freestyling tip videos, free kick montages, anything in between, you know. So yeah, I just wanted to introduce myself before I started making videos, and hopefully I can start making videos soon. Yeah, stay updated. If you want to subscribe, you know, all it takes is just one click, and I can guarantee you're going to like what you see. Thanks again. My name's Evan, and have a nice night.